Hey guys, welcome to a new video on Nail Possible. In this tutorial, we're going to create this stripe design with a small Valentine's Day touch. We start applying a base coat. And first we're going to apply the color that's going to go in the middle. I'm just applying one diagonal stripe. And after a while I kinda doubted my decision and decided to add more of the polish, but now that I know how it turns out, I know my idea would have worked out in the end. Whichever way you applied the polish, we're just gonna clean up around the nails. And I'm going to apply a quick dry top coat because we're going to use tape. It's time to use the tape. We're going to need 2 pieces per nail. The first piece we're going to apply exactly in the middle of the nail, starting from the corner. We secure the tape all the way to the edges. And we do the same thing on the other nails. While we're here, we're going to apply the other tapes. And now we're going to apply a rose gold glitter polish in one of the 2 stripes. We remove the tapes. And now we apply the 3rd color on the other stripe. Remove the tape as quickly as possible. And repeat on the rest of the nails. Once we're done with the stripes, we clean up again. And while I was cleaning up, I realized how tiny the glitter stripe was on the last nail. And I didn't like how thick the middle stripe was, so I placed the tapes again to make the glitter stripe a bit bigger. I'm happier with the sizes of the stripes now, so we're cleaning up real quick. And we're going to apply more quick dry top coat because once it dries, we're going to use some tape. I'm using electrical tape to make a tiny little heart. First, I'm going to remove some of the stickiness because electrical tape is very sticky. Fold the tape in half. And with a pencil, I'm going to draw half a heart where I folded the tape. The 2 dots are guides to keep it small. I'm securing it to my surface with some more tape so it doesn't move around while I'm drawing the heart. And now we draw half of the heart on the folded tape and then cut it with some scissors. We unfold the tape. And there's our heart. I'm going to cut off some of the excess. And I'm going to place it on top of the lightest color to make a tiny little heart with the glitter polish. Remove the tape and done! Before moving on to the next nail, I'm going to remove some of the glitter that's on the tape so the heart doesn't lose its shape. I'm going to use some regular tape to remove the excess. And our heart is good as new. Now we can do the same thing on the other nails. And you can leave the design like this, but I want to add a gold line where the colors meet. I'm going to use the thinnest line here, so I'm going to remove the rest from the stamper. And we stamp the lines. Clean up the residue from the stamping. And apply one final coat of top coat to seal everything. And this is the finished design. I hope you enjoyed this design, and don't forget you can give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!